Hi guys, I have only got 5 minutes right now, but I wanted to pop on here real quick and make you a really short video just about this email that I got from YouTube that I'm pretty excited about. In short, they are about to just blow up everyone's audiences and they are going to do it using AI. Not in the way you might think, though. They are not going to have robots watching our videos or anything like that. They are going to be using AI to top every new video that gets uploaded to YouTube. So, in short, what this means is that they are going to be translating every video that gets uploaded and not just like translating the captions that they already have, but actually translating the audio. Now, I don't know yet whether they are going to be using AI also to actually change the visuals on the video. So it looks like the person's mouth is speaking in these other languages. They will, I'm sure, get there at some point, but I know for a fact that they are going to be translating the audio at least. I'm just reading from the email. It says they are going to be translating all English videos into Spanish, Portuguese, German, French, Italian, Hindi, Indonesian, and Japanese, and vice versa. And more languages will be added soon. So, videos in all of these languages will also be translated into English. Now, it's pretty cool that we are now going to be able to much more easily watch videos in all of those other languages from all these different countries. But this is especially cool for people who speak those languages that they will become easily like they will okay. But this is especially cool for people who speak those languages because it's going to be massively expand their audience to be able to reach the English speaking audience worldwide. There are just so many fewer people that speak each of those other languages. If they want to make videos in their native language, then in the past this has really limited their audience size, but for now it's just going to be so much bigger for them, which is going to open up so many new opportunities. Potentially things like revenue on YouTube and other monetization features, and just so many other things, as well as to be able to reach more people. Okay, so it says in the email that no action is needed. They are just going to start doing this to every new video that gets uploaded unless you go on your channel and turn it off. If for some reason you don't want your videos translated into these other languages, then you don't want the dubbing features, you can go in and turn it off channel wide, or I believe that also for specific videos. Now, one thing that is not changing though is the algorithm. YouTube really has dialed in their algorithm so well at this point. It's working really well for them. So the rules of the game when it comes to how to win on YouTube are definitely not changing. If you want to learn the basics of how to work with the algorithm so you can grow your channel even more as quickly as possible, then check out the links in the description. I also include it down below in the comments section. So I'm really excited about this new update, and I'm really excited about the fact that they will keep adding new features. And this is one of the ways that we are using AI to make more money, reach more audience. Thank you for watching this video. See you in the next video. This is Ashraf Explains.